Hello everyone, welcome back to the lesson. Today we are going to learn something very important in English. It is about sentences. Don't worry, this lesson is very easy and step by step. By the end of this lesson, you will understand 1. What a sentence is, 2. Subject and predicate, 3. Simple sentences, 4. Compound sentences, 5. Complex sentences. Let us get started. So first, let us understand what a sentence is. A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete idea. That means when you read it, the message is clear, isn't it? And every sentence must have a subject and a verb. Without this, it is not a sentence, alright? Also remember everyone, every sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with punctuation like a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. So I hope you understand about this clearly. Examples. She studies English. Where is my car? These are sentences because they are complete. Let's do a quick check on these sentences. The students are reading books in the classroom. She is writing a letter. Can you tell me which one is not a complete sentence, everyone? Yes, in the classroom. It is not a sentence. Now, let's break a sentence into parts. Every sentence has subject and predicate. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. Let us look at this sentence. The students are reading books. Can you tell me what is the subject in this sentence? The subject in this sentence is the students. Now let us move to the predicate. The predicate tells us what the subject does or what happens, and it always has a verb. Let us look at this sentence. The students are reading books. Can you tell me what is the predicate in this sentence? The predicate in this sentence is are reading books. Another example. The dog is sleeping. Subject the dog, predicate is sleeping. Alright, I hope everyone is clear on this part. If you are not sure, let me know in the comment below. Now, let us learn about simple sentences. A simple sentence is very easy to understand. It has one complete idea and one independent clause. That means it expresses one clear thought. Alright? Let's look at some examples. First, the dog runs. This is a simple sentence because it has one idea. Second, she is reading a book. Again, one idea, so it is a simple sentence. Third, they play football. Also one complete idea. Now, let us look at the formula. A simple sentence is subject plus verb plus complete idea. For example, the dog runs. Subject the dog, verb runs. So remember everyone, a simple sentence has only one idea and it is easy to understand. Alright, I hope everyone understands this part very clearly. Now, let us learn about compound sentences. A compound sentence has two complete sentences and joined together. To join the two sentences, we use joining words, or you can call fanboys such as and, but, or, so. Let us look at an example. She studied hard and she passed the exam. This sentence has two complete ideas, so it is a compound sentence. Alright? So the structure of a compound sentence is a complete sentence plus comma plus joining word plus another complete sentence. Finally, let us learn about complex sentences. A complex sentence has one independent clause and one dependent clause. An independent clause is a complete sentence, and a dependent clause is not a complete sentence. It cannot stand alone and needs an independent clause to be complete. Alright, so I hope you all are sure about this part. To join the two sentences, we use joining words, or you can call subordinating conjunctions such as because, although, when, and if. We use them to link clauses in complex sentences. Let us look at an example. Because she was tired, she went to bed. Dependent clause, because she was tired. Independent clause, she went to bed. So this is an example of a complex sentence. Remember everyone, compound sentence has two independent clauses, but complex sentence has only one independent clause and one dependent clause. I hope everyone understands this part. Let us look at these examples. She was tired, so she slept. She slept because she was tired. Alright, so I hope you understand about these two examples. In conclusion, now you understand what a sentence is, subject and predicate, simple sentences, compound sentences, and complex sentences. Keep practicing every day and your English will improve step by step. See you in the next lesson, everyone. Bye!